Good morning, folks, and welcome back. On this episode of stupidity, I don't know what you want to call it, pretty aggravated. This was caused by somebody else that didn't know how to park, and the only parking place available was next to him, so I had to try to do. Okay, I was interrupted by a phone call and it shut the phone or the camera down, but as I was saying, it was caused by somebody not knowing how to park, and I had to get around this person. The only parking place available in the area was next to them, and I was trying to zigzag in, and I ended up striking the fence behind me, and it busted this tail light lens. So yeah, okay, I'm the one that hit the fence, but ironically, the irony was that the vehicle in the way was another Titan, and I thought, boy, if I had a 10mm wrench, I'd have another tail light. That would be that person's penance for not knowing how to park. Anyhow, this is a temporary fix with some of that epoxy that I use in my knife handle making, so it'll be reattached, and then I'm using the red tail light lens repair tape to kind of hold the rest of it together, as you can see. And of course, like I said, this is a temporary fix for now until I get the other tail light lens in. I ordered it off of eBay. It's a Dorman. They're a pretty decent company as far as replacement lenses and stuff. I use their lenses when I put new tail lights in the little Ford Ranger pickup I had. But anyway, yeah, snowy weather, and I guess they couldn't see where the lines were. I don't know. It just long story short, cause and effect, the chain of events, and here we go. I'm doing a temporary fix so that I don't get pulled over by the Mustang Police Department. You know, with the COVID business, I guess tax revenue's down, so they're out there fleecing us. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for this epoxy to set up, and then I'll put some more of that repair tape on it to kind of stabilize the lens itself on the opposite end of where the epoxy's at, and put it back in. Hopefully it'll be ready by the time I have to go to work, unless they call work off. Yeah, anyway, my whining and crying is over. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, I don't know, whatever you want to do. Subscribe. Hey, I need some people. I need some folks. I need a family. Anyway, y'all have a good one. All right, here's my temporary fix with the taillight tape and the two-part epoxy. This has just got to hold together for me until Monday, I think, is when it's supposed to arrive. Of course, there's still a crack here. I didn't want to put any tape on because that's for my reverse light, and I've got a new bulb for it. I might as well do that while I have it apart. Get my big fat finger out of the way. But this is gonna, like I said, this will keep me from getting a ticket. And lesson learned: pay closer attention to what you're doing instead of getting aggravated at the guy that can't park, because I'm the one that paid for it. He didn't. Anyway, that's the moral of the story. Anyway, but anyway, I'm gonna get this back on the truck and get ready for work. Here we go. Okay, I've got it back together. Let me see if I can zoom it in for you a little bit. Yeah, there it is. All of that, excuse me, I'm getting tongue-tied. You just have two 10mm bolts just inside the tailgate. You remove those, and the tailgate just slides straight backwards, and it's out. Tail light, I think that's what I said. Anyway, it's back together. I guess what I can do, I'll just use the, there we go. Lights are still working, so that's my temporary fix. The new lens will be in, supposed to be here Monday, weather pending, and I'll pull it back apart and put the new tail light lens in. And I don't have a way to check that the reverse light. I put a new reverse light bulb in it because they weren't working, and it could be something entirely different, because I know my that thing's got the sonar for the back for reverse, and it hasn't worked since I borrowed a car hauler and it popped a fuse or something. It may have gotten another fuse, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna bring this video to a close. For what it's worth, if this video helps somebody, yeah, whatever, be good. Anyway, I'm gonna call it to an end. You guys have a great rest of the week, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Like, share, subscribe.